Opening Profile Machining Add-on User Pages. If User Interface Panel is not visible, you can click Plugin command from View menu and make it visible. Profile Loading. There are 3 types for profile loading. Select one of them from the icons. First one is box section extrusion, second is any section from a DXF file extruded, and last is 3D models by IGES files. To make a box section extrusion profile, select box icon on the top side in profile loading page. Enter width, height and thickness parameters. Define extrusion length. Once you click Load Profile button, profile will be added. (2D section extrusion). Select DXF file option on top. Select a section loaded by a DXF file. Enter extrusion length and click Load Profile button to add. Loading a profile by a 3D CAD model. You may add a 3D CAD model, which is recorded as an IGES file on disk. Select 3D box icon on the top. From the list, select the model you want to add and press Load Profile button. Profile orientation and other transformations. After adding, you can rotate, mirror, and move profile in all axes. Use tab on bottom of the page for these actions. You may also update extrusion length of extruded sections. Making machining operations on profile. Change the page for adding holes and all types of machining operations on profile. Select a work plane and a reference point. Initially, you must define the work plane and reference point. The hole and other parameters you will define later will be using this work plane and reference point. Making machining operations on profile. Change the page for adding holes and all types of machining operations on profile. Making machining operations on profile. Change the page for adding holes and all types of machining operations on profile. Adding a hole or other machining operation. Select a shape to machine. These are circle, slot, barrel and other geometric shapes in a list. After you select the shape, its geometric and position parameters will appear on the property grid. Enter the parameters as you need. When you click Add button, the machining property grid will pop up. Select Tool, Machining Side, Safe Z, Feed Rate Values, etc., and press OK to add cutting operation. Updating operation. By changing some of the parameters, you may need to change either geometric or machining parameters of the operation. Change geometric parameters of the shape and press Update. Active operation machining parameters will pop up. To make an operation active, double-click on its name on the list. Printing the output. To print the output for all or some of the operations, go to the Tree View page. Send the operations to the post box as you wish. They will be ordered by planes and x-axis values after you send. But you may also change this order by the arrow buttons if you need. On the post node, right-click and give position clamps, and write command, clamps page will appear. If you want, change the position of clamps and click right button to print output. You can save whole session on disk. You can open later to make small modifications and reprint an output.